Okay, cool. So Typeform is awesome because it is a quiz application builder. And while you can build quizzes in drop funnels, it is still in beta mode. So once I know that it is for sure active, I will shoot a video on that. But in the meantime, quizzes are freaking awesome, right? Who doesn't love a good quiz? And honestly, I think quizzes are kind of making a little bit of a trend right now because a lot of businesses are throwing up a quiz to kind of turn it into like a testimonial slash upsell or order bump opportunity. And what I mean by that is they're advertising, if you're struggling with X, Y, and Z, take the quiz to find out more about why you're struggling. Or if you want to be an entrepreneur, take this quiz to see if the entrepreneurial life is for you, right? And I'm about to show you some of the quizzes that I've made. They're great for Pinterest, super cool for Pinterest. They're great for social media in general, and they're fun. And the cool thing with quizzes, again, I don't know why my computer keeps making this noise. There's something up. Anyways, it just bugs me, not you. So it's really, really fun to throw on social media. And it's also good to get to give them out to your audience to get free feedback as the business owner. So you can put them on like your linked tree, your bio, all over Pinterest, all over your socials. You can create little posts that then link to them. They're just really, really fun. And I'm about to show you how fun they are. So let me pull up Typeform. All right. I share my screen. I'm going to make sure we are shared. Give me a second. Yes. Okay, cool. So we are shared. All righty. As you can see, I have a decent amount of quizzes up on here. I build them out for my clients as well as for myself. So my sister and I were working on some of these, and they're just, again, really, really fun. So we're just going to jump through. I'm going to show you an example, and then we're going to go through how to actually build them. So this one, how tech savvy are you? We threw this up, I believe, on Pinterest. And once again, so we can go through. We can hit this little icon to preview it and hit start. Actually, we could even do the published version. So the published version will give you a time if you want to see that. It's not really that important, so start. So we're gonna fill in our name, fill in some information. Yes, I'm ready to start. I have an active profile on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Okay. So yes, I schedule out my emails. No, I'm not unfamiliar. Yes, I like automating on Calendly. Yes, Canva is my go-to. Very automated. And then you can put in your email. Actually, I'm just going to use this one. And it says, if you'd like us to send you advice on how to learn more tech skills with running an online business, enter your email below. You hit submit, and then it goes here. So your score is 28. If you score 45, above 45, it's safe to say you're pretty tech savvy. However, we can always take some time to develop stronger skills. Didn't quite reach that score? Check out this 30-day challenge that gives you the tech skills to launch, optimize, and scale your online business. Click here to learn more. So this actually went to my launch like a millennial page. I totally forgot, right? So here you can have it do again, but you can also customize this button too. So now I'm going to show you how to actually build these babies out. So when you come over here, so you want to do a new Typeform. And the cool thing, so I'm just going to do quizzes today, but as you can see on the left-hand side, or maybe right on your side, there are tons of things we can do. It's freaking insane. I love it. Yes, I do pay for Typeform. Yes, it is $50 a month. For me, it's worth it because I build them out for my clients, but you can also do the free one. You just won't get as many automation techniques per usual. Quizzes, giveaways, requests, orders, lead capture, poll, report, and then just like random ones, right? There are so many templates. We're just going to get to the quizzes right now. And they give you a couple of them to start. So let's just say digital marketing quiz template. Why not? So 33 questions, 3 to 5 minutes. You can kind of go through, well, not go through the whole thing. Well, you can go through the whole thing. So you can kind of click through to see what this is all about, right? And then you can say, use this template. So I'm going to use the template, or you can obviously start from scratch. So bring it to life. So we're just going to do a quiz and hit continue. All right, so we start from the beginning. So this one is really long, so it's probably not the best example to give to you all, but that's okay. So we're going to start from the beginning. So it says, this is the beginning one. This is how you edit settings, images. You can also delete it. So if I wanted to edit this, you come over to Builder, you can come over to Design, which is what this is, and then you can upload something different. Okay, so maybe I like that. Sure, I like that. We don't have a logic jump. There's no calculator yet. We're going to get into these two later. So we're just building this out. So then what we have, this is a little image. So this is just like the intro one, right? Once you hit let's do it, it goes into this one. So first off, what does the third R of AARRR funnel stand for? Again, we're using this as a template. You can build this to anything. So first off, we would want, let's change this up. So you click the little text or check, and we're going to do a short text. Yes, I want to change it. And we're going to say, first off, tell me your name. And they're going to enter their name. And it would be required, or you don't always have to make it required. You would just, it would have that little star if so. That's totally up to you. I'll go over recall information later. You can add an image or a little video or something like that. Then the next one would be awesome. Hi. So we can add in, let's get going. So this is, I think, this is a statement. So instead, let's make this a multiple choice. And let's do, what's your favorite color? Pink, purple, blue, yellow. Okay. So it's really, really simple. So we don't want to do any of the logic jumps yet. I'll show you that in the next video. And then you just keep coming through. Maybe you want to do a long text. Tell me why you like the color purple. So essentially what you're doing is you're grabbing as much information from these people as possible, right? So, and you can do this by all these different options, multiple choice. These ones would be more towards later. So you can capture their phone number, which would be something later. Perfect. If you want to receive exclusive offers, so if you want them to enter their number, this is awesome because entering number equals, you can integrate this into an SMS and you can start texting them. So let's see what else we got. So this one we're going to say is a picture choice. So this one you would have to, so you would actually hit this and you can choose a picture for it. Oh, my thing's in the way. Say add image. And so that would be choice A, mountains. So this one's cool. It's like, where's your favorite location? The mountains, cold. Let me see if I can find one that's the beach. Yeah, perfect. The beach, right? It's just super creative and fun. All right. So that's the picture coming through here. So yes or no? Do you like taking quizzes? And that would be a yes or no over here. This one is, so the short and the long text are essentially the same, only short is like your first last name in a way, and then long is more of a description. So again, at the end of it, you normally at the end or the beginning, you want to ask for their email. So it's like, please provide your email below. Take that little image out. So you can put images under anything. So like for the, oh, whoops, sorry. For this one, if you wanted to add an image into this, you could search email, which is another reason why I love Typeform, because you can get really, really, really design friendly in this. And I freaking love that. You can even change where you want it to be displayed. Right? It's so cool. Oh, I love it. And then you can email, opinion scale. So this is like on 1 to 10, tell me how likely are you to refer my business? 1, least, 10, very, right? So they can go through a little scale. Oh, a statement is just, as you can see over here, it's just like a next little oomph. So it's like, the sky is the limit. And then you can change the button text to you betcha. Oops. And then they can just click it. And so again, it's just making it interactive. Okay, where were we? Opinion. So a rating. We're just gonna change all of these. So this is like, how would you rate us in a way, right? 1, 2, 3, and then you can add more stars in here. So how, right? This is a great one for testimonials. Come down here and we do a date. So this would be enter the best day to chat. And they can pick their format, or you can pick your format, but they can fill this in. Some of these are better for like application purposes, not just quizzes, but I just wanted to go through all of them for you. So a number is, there we go, would be like how, or let's see, it would be, well, either write your number below, or you can even say like, on a scale of 1 to 10, where do you rank if you're following a sequence, and they can just type in like 10 or something like that. A drop down is kind of like multiple choice, right? Only this would be a drop down here, right? So they'd have to select options that way. And then I think we're pretty much wrapped up, because this is just legal footer. So this is just your legal info for them to accept. So it's like, I accept or I don't. File upload is actually if you want them to upload a file. Right? I don't know why you would, but whatever. So that'd be good for like screenshots and stuff. And this one is you can collect payments now on Typeform, right? So you can create a payment right on there. So essentially you could create a quiz that's long enough that leads into like a low ticket. So above the payment, or this even could be like, oh, hey, I have a $7 training bundle on ways to maximize your sales. Would you want it? If so, please enter your, or just please check out below. Right? And then they check out, and then you know that this quiz, whoever checks out, they automatically get whatever they signed up for. Just make sure that you are in your proper currency. And then finally, oh, see how they did this? Super cool. It's just like amazing how you can do this kind of stuff. So the last one is a website. So this is again, this one's good for application, but please enter your website below. Right? So this one's really, 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 really long. But once again, And then of course, at the bottom, you can always add your thank you page. So you can add a score. We'll go over that later. So I'm just going to do a thank you screen. And your thank you screen, you can obviously customize with an image or a video. You can add a video. So Vimeo or YouTube link, which is freaking awesome. You can again add a button that says, click to continue. Oops, sorry. Or it could be like your website name, like, you know, it doesn't, or message me, send me a DM, right? Something like that. You can link this to Instagram or wherever you want it to go. You can either turn your social share icons on or off, which would be for them to share it. And yeah, so of course you can customize that page. You can also customize the design of your, so you could do maybe like that one or something like that. And then of course we come all the way back. So when you do design, it does change both of them. Sorry, I didn't mean to say like you can do one or the other. So it does change both of them. Right, so that's a long form of creating these designs. In the next couple of trainings, we're going to get through logic jumps, calculators, because these are really, really, really fun to create scores. We're also going to get into email notifications, some of these settings, and of course, integrations. Why not, right? That's what I do best. So we're going to go through some of these. And then of course, kind of just wrap up what Typeform is. Oh, I will say we also are going to go over like applications. Once again, we had so much. So like this one's feedback, you can kind of see, right? So I'm sure you would see, how cool is that? I'm sure you've seen these before and you can do this all through Typeform, right? So there's lots and lots and lots to do from here. I hope you guys like these trainings and we're going to get into some other ones. All right, see ya.